This is now how to do it, guys, but this is how I do it, and it's almost done, you see? Morning. Sarah already went to school. It's already 10:30 in the morning, and today I'm planning to make this, the tiles that I'm doing at the back of our house. So today I'm going to put the thin set already, and I'm hoping this will be finished by this week. I'm not sure how fast I can do this, but we'll try our best. And yeah, so I have to clean it up first because I put so many things here already, and I have to set up everything, and I'm ready to put the thin set today. But first, what should I do? I'm thinking about harvesting the cucumber, but maybe I'll do that tonight. Yeah, so I can do here. I can at least start before Sarah comes back, because she will be back at 1. Yeah, so we're going to start now. I have to put this grill inside, guys, because we've been grilling last week, and I cannot grill inside the house, so I have to put it outside. But I already put the tiles under. I'll just take it off. Ayan, guys, nalinis ko na. Na-layout ko na rin yung mga tiles. Ano ko na lang, linisin ko ng maigi, tapos magsimula na akong magsemento. Ayan. Meron akong mga ganitong spots. Mahirap kasi mahirap mag-cut ng tiles, kaya na lang, lagyan ko na lang ng bato. Meron akong bato dito. Kunyari, design. Yun pala, hindi mahirap mag-cut ng yung mano-mano na cut na tiles. Ayaw ko namang manghiram ng, meron kasing rent, pwede kang mang-rent ng tile cutter dito. Kaso lang, wag na, nakabili na ako. Pwede na to, practice lang naman to. Sige guys, umpisahan ko na. Nagbihis ako, guys, mahirap palang mag-construction worker na nakapalda. Ito, ready na ako. Na-arrange ko na yung mga tiles. Kaso lang, ito yung bato na sinasabi ko na ilalagay ko dito sa gilid-gilid. Yung mahirap ikat na tiles. Kaya, ito, lagyan ko ng mga bato-bato. Tanggalin ko muna isa-isa para madali na lang. Madali lang naman to. Tatanggal kaya, no? Tanggalin ko pa isa-isa. Let's take it out one by one. So, it's easy for me to work later. Ayun, guys, ready na ako. Tingnan nyo. My gloves. Meron din akong knee pad. Meron akong towel panlinis sa tiles. At backup na foam. Meron din akong tile na pamartilyo sa tile. And I have this spreader. What is this? Steel trowel. Meron din akong trowel. At saka meron ako nito. Ito pang garden to. Kaso lang parang maganda to ihalo-halo sa semento. Ito, meron akong margin trowel. Meron akong bucket. At syempre may semento dito, hindi ko kayang kargahin, kaya umpisahan na natin, guys. Tingnan natin kung kaya ba. Kaya o hindi. Kailangan matapos to. Sige, guys. Ayan na, guys, sinalo ko na yung semento. This is called the mortar set, pin set. Sinalo ko na sa tubig. Parang mahirap pala. Kasi mabigat ihalo. Para siyang Basta dagdag lang ako, nagdagdag hanggang sa lumapot siya. Ganun na lang gawin natin. Ayan. Ayan. Dapat pala kunting tubig lang nilagay ko. Pastilan, guys. Happy na. It's almost 1 o'clock. I have to pick Sarah up. And I only finished one line. It's not an easy job to do, guys, but it's fun. And I'm hoping I finish it today. I think the first line is the most difficult one because that area over there near the door is not straight, so I have to make it straight, and you know it's triangle there. But I think after this it will be easy for me because I already know what to do and no more corners, just over there. So let's see, guys. I'll go and pick Sarah up first before, and then I will come back here to do it again. See you later, guys. Hi guys! Andito na si Sarah. Kanina pa yan. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Say, what will you say to the guys?
Hi guys!
So guys, hinintuan ko muna kasi mag-ano muna ako, stretch at saka nagtimpla ako ng panibagong tin set, yung semento. Tapos, pinakain ko muna si Kalbo kasi alas 3 na. No, stress ba? Oras, alas 2. Alas 2 na, hindi pa yung kumain ng lunch. Pakakainin ko muna. Ayan, yung lunch niya. Salad at saka kielbasa. Tapos, mag-stretch muna ako. Umpisahan ko na naman uli. Here, guys, maybe a third finish already, a third. So, guys, tingnan nyo. Lagyan ko ng mga bato-bato sa gilid yung mukha namang maganda. I think I can finish this today. I will finish this today. Pero, tingnan natin. Meron akong bagong timpla dyan. You're supposed to have it rest for a moment. And then, you can do it again. Kaya, gagawin ko yan. Sige, mamaya naman, guys. So, guys, I'm almost in my last 3 pieces of tiles. You know, this is now how to do it, guys, but this is how I do it, and it's almost done, you see? That, guys. Di na ako nag-gloves, guys. Kasi mas mabilis pagka walang gloves. Ang hirap pag may gloves. Ay, kinamay ko na. Kinamay na.
One Saturday morning, Daddy suggested it might be a great day for a drive.
Kailangan may sponge ka, guys, na panglinis sa mga gilid-gilid para malinis siya. Kasi pag tumigas yan at maraming semento, titigas, mahirap linisin, guys. Tapos, guys, lagyan natin ng spacers. Ito, spacers. Guys, time check. 6:30 in the evening. And I finally done. Don't step there. You step right away here. Baboy's here. I'm afraid she was. This is the last piece here. I cracked one of the thingamaboy. Oh, I'm finally done, guys. Over here.
What?
A small one there.
Where?
You cracked.
I know, check
But
it out.
it's not done yet over there in the corner there because I screw up the tiles. I didn't put space when I was cutting it, so I'm like, okay. But it's looking good. It's over here.
Where's the crack?
Huh?
Where's the crack?
Yeah, small one. Yeah. Yeah. Can't see. Whew, I did it, guys, one day. Guys, I put like it looks like have design, but it's actually I don't know how to cut the tiles that size. But this is not finished yet. This is you need to put the grout here. You see in the middle of the where the space here. This is you need to put the thing there. I don't think so. I think this is very easy. I don't even have to. You just fill it up.
Next to?
Tapos na akong magligpit ng mga gamit ko sa construction. Magano naman ako, magdilig ng mga halaman kasi buhay pa naman ng mga halaman ko. Summer pa naman dito. Hindi pa inaatake ng mga animals. Hindi na sila bumalik. Bakit kaya? Last nilang attack mga 1 linggo na. Hindi na sila nag-attack. So meron akong mga talong, zucchini, squash, yung kamatis talagang hina-harvest ko araw-araw pag may pumula na para hindi sila mainggan yung pumunta dito. Pero yung maliliit na kamatis bukas na lang yun. Bukas na lang ako mag-harvest. Meron na rin marami. Bagong harvest lang yun. Mga 3 days ago nag-harvest ako isang bucket. Tapos ngayon marami na naman. Bukas na. Kasi marami akong trabaho ngayon. Magdilig muna ako ng halaman, guys. Guys, magluto naman tayo ng dinner. Si Sarah muna ang pakainin ko kasi late kaming nag-lunch. Kaya, don't move so much. Kaya magano na lang ako. Chicken nuggets na lang siya. You see now?
Yeah.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
What did you do today, whole day?
I watched movie all day.
She watched movie all day, not whole day, half day. While I'm doing the tiles at the back, she watching the movie. Are you happy? Huh? Is that your happy day today?
Yeah. Movie day.
Movie day. Careful. Okay, let me cook you chicken nuggets.
Bring your head.
Chicken nuggets and pasta.
I want to. I have a special thing for you. Mickey Mouse chips. What is it? It's will you can see. You can.
Guys, I want to show you something.
Mine.
I have so many tomatoes, guys. This is from the garden. See that? That is why it's okay for me to eat. The animals will eat it. Just leave some for me. But I have so many, so they can eat some. It's okay. I'll put this in the refrigerator because I harvest it when it's not very red yet, like it's starting to get red, and then I will bring it inside and wait until it's become very ripe before I will put it inside the refrigerator. But now it's so many ripe already. I will put it inside. We cannot finish it all, so many, and I cannot bring it to grandma's. Grandma have so many tomatoes too, right, baby? Okay, your turn.
Guys, I want to make something special. I want to make words. Guys, I want to make a word school. Mama, how to Hi guys, we're going to swim now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
What?
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
What? Mwah, 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 mwah.